Hi everyone, it's Srija and I'm a high schooler learning how to code, and I hope in the process you learn to start coding too. Subscribe to my channel if you want any tech related videos for beginners. In this video, I'll be sharing 4 ways to stay motivated to code. The first way is to explore why exactly made you want to get interested in learning coding. And this requires a little bit of journaling or however else you like to process information or your thoughts. And you just have to simply ask yourself these questions. So ask yourself, what does learning coding help you gain? What skills did you gain from coding? Is it like, were you a better problem solver? Were you a better person overall? Did you take time to process things? Did it make you more patient? Did it make you a better team player? Did it make you more creative? Make you happier? Did it make you sad? It could be negative too. So really reflect on how you felt when you coded or what skills you acquired from learning coding. And it could be soft skills like what I just listed before, and like, have you made friends with coding? All of that. So the first question is like a general broad question. Next question you want to ask yourself is, how can you use coding to do what you like? And what I mean by this, like using coding to do what you like how can you use coding as a skill to do whatever job or project that you want to do? Like if you're if your life goal is to be like an aerospace engineer, coding can help you do that. It can help you analyze data. So that means you are one step forward in achieving that goal or whatever dream job you have. Like coding is becoming more and more prevalent in all aspects in all fields. It doesn't have to be like a major thing, like it can even be like a tiny project. Third question that you want to ask yourself, and you can ask yourself more questions, but the baseline is, what excites you when you are coding? And for this to really be effective, try to narrow this down as much as you possibly can. Like ask yourself a series of questions. For example, if building mini projects with code excites you, ask yourself, why does that excite me? Is it a certain project that I like to do? Do I like building websites? Do I like building mechanical things that you can hold? Or do I like the creative aspect? Do I like building things from scratch? All of that. Identify the root cause of why you like it, and after a few spirals down, you'll understand what truly excites you and you can do more of that. The second way you can stay motivated to learn how to code is to make friends that are also coders or that are also doing the same thing that you're doing, so you can keep surrounding yourself with people who are motivated. And this can be either online or in your class or in your boot camp. And having friends who are in the same boat as you is amazing because they can share effective tips when you are feeling like this, or like you're really frustrated about a problem, and they'll tell you it's not that great of a problem in the grand scope of things. The third way that you can stay motivated to learn how to code is to take a break from tutorials. And this is especially one for beginners because you can quickly get trapped in the tutorials phase. So you have to take a break from tutorials for at least a week or a few days and do something that truly excites you that's coding related, like building a mini project, anything like that. Some ideas for mini projects are replicating something in real life, but with your own little twist. Another idea for a mini project is something that solves a problem in your life. It could be just a simple little program that decides what you can wear. You can replicate a GitHub project that you like. Just make sure you're checking the programming language section to see if you can actually do that project or if you actually know that programming language. Another thing that can truly excite you is doing code challenges. I just got into code challenges and they are so quick, they're so fun to do. Great way to practice your coding skills in such short amount of time. It can also be much more effective than your tutorials because you're actually practicing a real life skill with these code challenges. Another idea that you can do that excites you is you can join a hackathon, or you can join an online class or a workshop or anything like a class that you can join. So you can join virtual or in person, and that way you can gain new skills, you can practice ones you've already gained, And you can also gain a new perspective about anything that usually trips you up. So like, suppose you really are tripped up about data structures. Maybe you join a class and it gives you a new way to look at it and it's not as hard anymore. My last way to stay motivated to learn how to code is to explore something about coding or the tech world where you're not actually coding. You can read articles, read about new technologies that the world is seeing, how that relates to what you're doing, possibly new career options in tech. You can watch YouTube videos from other tech creators to explore a new area of research, anything that excites you to code again.